Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn the first few letters. Seen, like S in sun. Seen, like S in sun. Seen, like S in sun. Sheen, like sh in shine. Sheen, like sh in shine. Sheen, like sh in shine. Sad, no direct English, heavier than S. Sad, no direct English, heavier than S. Bad, unique to Arabic, heavier than D. Bad, unique to Arabic, heavier than D. I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it. Seen is the first letter in the word fish in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word fish is written below the rectangle. Samak, samak, samak. Sheen is the first letter in the word sun in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word sun is written below the rectangle. Shams, shams, shams. Sad is the first letter in the word falcon in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word falcon is written below the rectangle. Saqr, saqr, saqr. Dadun is the first letter in the word light, and the pronunciation of the word light is written below the rectangle. Dawpun, daw'un, daw'un. Training. Now we will take some practice on the previous letters. Samak fish, samak fish, samak fish. Shams, sun, shams, sun, shams, sun. Saqr, falcon, saqr, falcon, saqr, falcon. ضوء, light, ضوء, light, ضوء, light. Well done! In the next lesson, we will learn some more letters, so study well and work hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so that everyone can benefit.